Changing the domain name of your WordPress website involves several steps, including updating your WordPress settings and making adjustments in your hosting account. Purchase a new domain. First, buy a new domain name from a registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Hostinger. Update DNS settings. Log into your domain registrar account and navigate to the DNS settings. Point the new domain's name servers to your web hosting provider. This is usually found in your hosting provider's settings. Update WordPress URL settings. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Settings, General. In the WordPress address and site address fields, replace your old domain with the new one. Save the changes. Update permalinks. Go to Settings, Permalinks, and click Save Changes to flush rewrite rules. Update internal links and media. Manually update any internal links, images, or references to the old domain in posts or pages. You can also use a plugin like Better Search Replace to automatically update URLs. Set up 301 redirects. To preserve SEO value, set up 301 redirects from the old domain to the new one, either through your htaccess file or via a plugin like Redirection.